If you want to free up space in CapCut and remove extra documents and data, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few taps. This is a simple way to clear unused cache, reduce storage clutter, and help the app run a little smoother on your device. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut app on your phone or tablet. Once you're inside the app, look for the settings option. Depending on your version of CapCut, this may be in the profile area, the menu icon, or another settings location inside the app. Tap on settings to open the storage and app options. Now, inside settings, look for the drafts tab. This is where CapCut groups certain saved files and temporary data related to your drafts and project content. Under the drafts tab, you should be able to see the cache size here. This shows you how much temporary data CapCut has stored on your device. If your app has been saving up a lot of extra files, this number may be larger than you expect. To delete it, simply tap the trash icon next to cache size. CapCut will usually ask you to confirm that you want to clear it, so go ahead and confirm the action. Once you confirm, CapCut will delete that cache data and remove the unnecessary files from your device. This is a helpful step if you want to manage storage, reduce app clutter, or troubleshoot performance issues. Just remember that clearing cache is different from deleting your actual drafts or projects, so in most cases, your saved work should remain safe. After the process is complete, you can go back and check your storage again if you want to make sure the cache has been removed. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete documents and data on CapCut by clearing the cache through Settings and the Drafts tab. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.